Let's move to some market opinion. On to our special series, London Eye. Udayan Mukherjee caught up with Prashant Periwal of Altima Partners, and he spoke about his view on the rally in emerging markets and the key risks which still remain.
We had, commodity prices rallying higher. Sure. Oil going up about $20. We are at 50 now. China unleashing another yet large stimulus to put some sort of a floor on the economy. And then we've had massive rallies on the back of that in all the emerging markets. So from here on, do I expect oil to go up another $20 from here? No. Can China continue its credit binge? Probably, but it's not good. And that leads you to believe that, so the rally has been very sharp, but then probably here's a time, we take some bit of a breather, consolidate here. Macro events are what they are, whether it's a Fed rate hike or Brexit, etc. But I think, on the other hand, we could have, issues emerging out of China, and starting from their currency to overall economy, etc. So, and then on the top of it, valuation. So, a culmination of all these three factors could be a bit of a bigger problem. But then, of course, valuations are not supportive, but that's like for the market overall. Not to say that bottom-up opportunities do not exist. They do, but one has to be selective. Is probably I would put it in that way. On one hand, if we strip out banks within India, earnings have surpassed expectations. But then, not to say that we have turned the corner here. With respect to banks, I think what the challenges could be. We can always say, look, the worst is over, but do we really know that? We could have said the worst is over, 2 years ago with some of these banks, but it just, keeps coming. So yeah, sustainable for sustainable sort of a reward from here, we need to see more evidence.